Hello and welcome to our channel. If you're an expecting mother on the lookout for nutritious breakfast options, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll be sharing 10 quick and healthy breakfast recipes specially curated for pregnant women. These recipes are not only delicious but also packed with the essential nutrients you and your baby need. So let's jump right in. Number 1. Energizing Berry Smoothie Bowl. Our first recipe is the Energizing Berry Smoothie Bowl. Loaded with antioxidants and vitamins, this bowl will give you the perfect morning boost. Berries are also known for their high fiber content, which can help alleviate pregnancy-related constipation. To make this bowl, blend a cup of mixed berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, with a banana, a splash of almond milk, and a dollop of Greek yogurt for creaminess. Top it with your favorite granola, chia seeds, and a drizzle of honey for an extra touch of sweetness. Number 2. Creamy avocado toast with poached egg. Next up, we have a creamy avocado toast topped with a perfectly poached egg. Avocados provide healthy fats, while eggs offer protein, both essential for a balanced pregnancy diet. They're also rich in folate, a B vitamin that's essential during pregnancy. Simply mash a ripe avocado, spread it onto whole grain toast, and top it with a poached egg. Sprinkle some red pepper flakes and a pinch of salt for an extra burst of flavor. Number 3. Greek yogurt. Parfait with fresh fruits. For a refreshing option, try our Greek yogurt parfait. Packed with probiotics and fiber, this parfait helps with digestion and keeps you feeling satisfied. Layer Greek yogurt with your favorite granola, mixed berries, and a drizzle of honey. This parfait not only satisfies your morning hunger but also provides probiotics for a healthy gut. Number 4. Spinach and mushroom breakfast quesadilla. Looking for something savory? Our spinach and mushroom breakfast. Quesadilla is a great choice. Spinach adds iron, while mushrooms bring a savory punch. Spinach is rich in iron, an essential mineral that helps prevent anemia during pregnancy. Fry a handful of spinach and sliced mushrooms until tender, then place them between whole wheat tortillas with a sprinkle of shredded cheese. Cook the quesadilla until the cheese melts, and enjoy a nutrient-packed start to your day. Number 5. Nutrient-packed overnight oats. Prepare your breakfast the night before with our nutrient-packed overnight oats. Full of fiber and nutrients, this meal is perfect for busy mornings. Oats are a great source of fiber and provide a steady release of energy. In a jar, mix rolled oats with your choice of milk, Greek yogurt, chia seeds, and a touch of honey. Refrigerate overnight, and in the morning top it with sliced bananas, nuts, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Number 6. High-protein banana pancakes. Craving pancakes? Our high-protein banana pancakes are made with whole grains and bananas, providing a delicious and energizing start to your day. Bananas are an excellent source of potassium, which helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Mash a banana and mix it with whole grain pancake mix, Greek yogurt, and a splash of almond milk. Cook the pancakes on a griddle until golden brown, and serve them with a dollop of Greek yogurt and a drizzle of maple syrup. Number 7. Chia seeds and mixed berries. Pudding chia seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients. Combine them with mixed berries to create a delightful and filling pudding that's rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Create a chia seeds and mixed berries pudding by mixing chia seeds with almond milk and a touch of vanilla extract. Let the mixture sit in the fridge overnight to thicken. In the morning, layer the chia pudding with a variety of mixed berries for a colorful and satisfying breakfast. Number 8. Veggie-packed breakfast burrito. Get a dose of vegetables early in the day with our veggie-packed breakfast burrito. It's a convenient way to include essential nutrients. Bell peppers, spinach, and tomatoes are loaded with vitamins and minerals essential for a healthy pregnancy. Fry the veggies and scramble some eggs in the same pan. Place the mixture in a whole wheat tortilla. Add a sprinkle of cheese and wrap it up for an on-the-go breakfast. Number 9. Homemade peanut butter granola bars. Need an on-the-go option? Our homemade peanut butter granola bars are easy to make and provide a good balance of carbs and protein. Peanut butter offers protein and healthy fats, while oats provide sustained energy. Mix rolled oats, chopped nuts, peanut butter, honey, and a pinch of salt. Press the mixture into a baking pan and refrigerate until firm. Cut into bars and you have a satisfying snack for busy mornings. Number 10. Scrambled tofu with spinach and tomatoes. Last but not least, try our scrambled tofu with spinach and tomatoes. Tofu is an excellent plant-based protein source that works perfectly in this savory breakfast option. Tofu is an excellent plant-based source of protein, and combining it with nutrient-rich spinach and tomatoes creates a flavorful and filling dish. Crumble firm tofu and fry it with diced tomatoes and baby spinach. Season with turmeric, cumin, and a pinch of black salt for an eggy flavor. Serve it with whole grain toast for a satisfying meal. That's it, guys. 10 quick and healthy breakfast recipes designed to support your pregnancy journey. Remember, maintaining a nutritious diet during pregnancy is crucial for your well-being and the health of your baby. Which recipe are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious and informative content. Take care and nourish yourself. Until next time, happy cooking.